All right, hey everybody. It's that time. Good old commentpicker.com is going to... I would have liked 50 comments, but there's a 20. You got a 1 in 24 shot. So let's pick somebody. Sorry for the glare. I don't know. I tried messing with the lighting. I don't know what the hell happened here. I don't know if you could see that. Winner, Lindsay Gold -E3B. Size 6.5. Congratulations. And we're going to get you some sneakers. Pretty cool. We'll do another giveaway, maybe 5,000. Thank you again. Thank you to the sponsors. Of course, Harold Law, Elite Surveillance, NJ, Dubby, Ergu, Taylor for being Taylor, and Lindsay Gold. I'm going to get you some cool sneakers. Thanksgiving's coming. And Christmas is coming, and we got a couple things in between, so stay tuned. Thank you, everybody. Sneaks and Geeks USA. This is fun. So we'll see you soon. Take care. Congrats, Lindsay. I'll be reaching out to you.